In a world that's constantly evolving, technological advancements continue to reshape the devices we rely on every day. Among these, tablets have undergone remarkable transformations. Once simple tools for reading and browsing, tablets are now being thrust into the future with the integration of artificial intelligence, setting the stage for the tablets of tomorrow. Let us first explore how AI integration is revolutionizing these portable screens. The most immediate impact is the enhanced user experience. Imagine a device that anticipates your needs before you even express them. AI-driven personal assistants in tablets can learn user preferences, offering tailor-made recommendations for apps, media, and even productivity tools. This personalization extends to smart scheduling and reminders. Your tablet could automatically adjust your agenda to optimize your time, giving you a truly seamless experience. AI is also significantly transforming how tablets handle security. Facial recognition and biometric scanning, powered by advanced machine learning algorithms, ensure that sensitive data remains secure. This cutting-edge technology evolves by learning from a user's unique traits and adapting over time, offering a robust defense against unauthorized access, while still providing the convenience of swift authentication. Furthermore, AI enhances accessibility features on tablets, making technology more inclusive than ever before. From real-time translation apps that bridge language barriers to voice recognition software that empowers differently abled individuals, AI integration ensures that technology serves everyone. For instance, visually impaired users can navigate their devices with voice commands, making tablets truly user-centric tools. AI's influence on tablets isn't confined to software alone. It extends to hardware interaction, too. With advancements in augmented reality, tablet cameras can now overlay digital elements onto the physical world, providing educational tools, gaming, and immersive experiences far beyond what was previously imaginable. This blend of virtual and reality is particularly significant in sectors like education and healthcare, where interactive modules can aid learning and patient care, respectively. Yet, the innovation doesn't stop here. AI is nurturing tablets as potent learning devices. By analyzing a student's learning patterns, AI technologies can recommend resources and adjust difficulty levels in real time, fostering a more effective educational experience. Educators and students alike can benefit from personalized content that responds to the user's progress and preferences. As we move towards a future where AI seamlessly integrates with the devices we use, it is essential to address the surrounding ethical and privacy concerns. How data is handled and ensuring transparency about AI's decision-making processes are crucial for user trust. Manufacturers and developers are tasked with creating systems that prioritize ethical standards, ensuring that the future of tablets remains aligned with societal values. In conclusion, AI integration is redefining what tablets can do, pushing their boundaries beyond mere tools of convenience to becoming integral components of our personal and professional lives. The tablets of tomorrow promise a dynamic experience, tailored to the individual, bolstered by robust security measures, and enriched by an inclusive design philosophy. As we stand on the cusp of this exciting technological frontier, we must embrace the potential while being mindful of the ethical pathways we forge. The era of the AI-powered tablet is not just on the horizon, it's already here, reshaping our interactions with technology in profound and meaningful ways.